Holeless telescope. Anyway, that's right, 338. Oh, God. Great. Someone's been doing drugs in here. That's great. Yeah, that's why I haven't really filmed this thing yet, because it's fucking disgusting. Yeah, quite a view too. This thing's just great. Like, I will say, it's held up alright. Like, it's not in bad shape. For the bullshit it goes through on a daily basis, this elevator's really not in bad shape. But fuck, man. Like, still, it's not, this isn't the fucking Four Seasons. Yeah, I wasn't expecting to find literally the remnants of someone's fucking heroin addiction in here. That's just nasty. We're just say, okay, we'll watch the indicator. I mean, it's a 338, nothing y'all haven't seen. Unless you're new to elevators. Which, hey, nothing wrong with that. I know a place. Better not have fucking this shit. Seriously though, that's pretty bad. Ah, stay classy, Denver. That's it.